As I was listening to my introduction, I was wondering, क्या बढ़िया स्टोरी है. And then I realized, अरे ये तो मेरे बारे में है. And I was wondering, is that really me? Absolutely not. You know why? Because there are two kinds of truths in this life. एक होता है the glorious truth, which we just all heard right now, which is like watching a beautiful sunrise from the top of the mountain peaks. And the second, the bitter truth, the harsh reality, जो किसी को सुनने में और सुनाने में मजा नहीं आता है. क्यों? Because right from our childhood, we have learned that the world only celebrates and respects success stories. Isn't that correct? I guess so. So today, I am going to use this opportunity to tell you how you can achieve success. Because I assume all of us here have assembled or even come to an IIT to succeed quickly in life. Yeah, two most important parameters. One, how to achieve success, and second, can we do it pretty quick? So I have discovered a formula for achieving success quickly, which can be also proven mathematically. Hear me carefully, folks. The probability of success in your life, the probability of success in your life is directly proportional to the number of times you fail and how quickly you get back again. Let me reiterate it again. The probability of success in your life is directly proportional to the number of times you fail and how quickly you can get back again. Now let me explain this with my life story. When I was 17 years old, even I wanted to get into an prestigious IIT. I was studying for JEE, but my dad had other plans for me. उन्होंने सोचा था कि उनका सपना वो मेरे थ्रू पूरा करेंगे. और उनका सपना was simple. He wanted to become a doctor and then an IAS. But somehow he became an engineer. But now he had his chance. तो हम ये बेटे साहब से करेंगे. So I was put into veterinary science the moment I cleared my 12th standard. And know what? I hated biology to the core. Biology was something that I didn't love then and I don't love even now. I was completely disappointed because now I realized मेरा career शुरू होने के पहले ही खत्म हुआ है. Because I am in a field which I don't absolutely love doing. So how can I succeed? This was my first experience with failure, an enforced failure in my life. At the end of the first year of veterinary science, I was absolutely clueless. I didn't know what to do next with my life. And then I had my Munna Bhai MBBS moment. जैसे सर ने बताया, वैसे मेरे जिंदगी में एक सिया आ गई. The Cupid decided to strike me down. There was this young, beautiful looking girl who became a junior in my veterinary college. Then I thought, अब तो 5 साल निकालने ही पड़ेंगे. Suddenly there was this renewed focus about life. Focus about doing something great. Focus about finding answers. And I decided, चलो, graduation का तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. Let me figure out how can I succeed after post-graduation. I had two options in front of me. एक, civil services. And second, an MBA. Civil services was ruled out directly because my dad approved of it and I had to rebel. So I chose this is my moment. इस बार करेंगे rebel. And I decided that I want to do an MBA. और MBA भी करना है तो शान से करेंगे. I decided I will go to IIM, नहीं तो किधर भी नहीं जाएंगे. And I got all pumped up. I started prepping for CAT. And my result was absolutely horrible. My result was so bad that I could not even secure a seat in a okay-doke MBA college. This was my second failure in life, second big failure in life, which was sab meri karni. But I didn't have time back then. I wanted to do something very quickly because I had already graduated. And I didn't want my father to tell me, beta kaha tha na, tumse na ho payega. So I absolutely didn't want to get into that moment. So I decided kya karna hai. Civil services nahi, MBA nahi, to chalo business karte hain. Back in 2008, startup wasn't even a word. I convinced myself saying, यार किधर धीरूभाई अंबानी ने MBA किया था किसी IIM से. If he can succeed, so can I. And then I started this mission of starting a startup. I convinced 10 of my veterinary friends who had just graduated that चलो pet industry में कुछ तो बड़ा भौकाल करते हैं. 3 months in, and 6 of them had already left. Why? Because they had secured admission in postgraduate veterinary science. Another 6 months in, and we were left down to only 2 business partners. I did not give up. All thanks to this YouTube motivational video playlist, which I used to have it as my early morning breakfast and late night dinner. I survived that phase. But 2 years of doing this, 2 years of doing this venture, and I realized that ye gaadi kidhar nahi ja rahi hai. I was sure that if I keep doing this, then I would be a living example of beta, tumse to kabhi kuch ho nahi payega. I was staring directly into the eyes of the second failure or the third failure that was happening in my life. I decided I got to do something about it. तो करे भी तो क्या करे? I said, let's go back to the basics. Let's go back to an MBA because that is all that I can do. And this time with total focus and total commitment. It was my total aar ya par moment of life. And then IIM Ahmedabad happened. The moment I entered IIM Ahmedabad, I thought to myself, beta life ho gaya chill. Day 0 या day 1 placement ले लो और life में मजे करो. But as it happens, life always has plans for you. I was lucky to be selected for an IIM Ahmedabad Mavericks Fellowship program. It's a program for those students of IIM Ahmedabad who do not want to take up campus placements but choose entrepreneurship instead. And the best part is that you get funded and mentored by IIM alumni. I thought ye sahi hai. It's much better than the coveted Procter and Gamble marketing PPO that I had in hand. I said, chalo, ye to sure shot success plan hai. Let me take this up. I had everything absolutely perfect on paper. 2 of my co-founders were IIT IIM. Within the first 3 months of my startup, I had India's 3 best FMCG companies as my clients. I was being chased by them leading angels at that time. Everything was perfect. It was a great recipe to succeed. But then again, जो होना है वो तो होके ही रहेगा. Within 1 year, my tech co-founder quit the company. We realized that we were not making any revenue which could attribute to profit. My other co-founder and I, we quickly pivoted to a profit-making idea. 2 years in, and we realized कि profit तो बना रहे हैं, पर जो scale हमने expect किया था, वो scale तो आ नहीं रहा है. क्या इसीलिए छोड़ा था PNG का PPO from campus? No was my answer. And as I answered no in my head, I knew I was staring right into second consecutive failure, and that too after IIM Ahmedabad. It was personally very depressing for me. I was recently married by then, yes, to the same Sia that I had met before. I was married to her and life was supposed to be great. But life had taken a U-turn. I was depressed. I was battling depression. I had lost almost 10 to 15 kilos within a span of 2 months. But my wife helped me get back on my feet. And luckily, OYO happened at that point of time. It was mentally very challenging because every day I used to walk into the office carrying the burden of failure on my shoulders. Aur wo bhi kyun? Because I had to be financially secure, that's it. वो ईगो पे लगता था every day to walk into an office like that. But OYO was an opportunity for me, which gave me a window to be an entrepreneur without having to worry about any financial security in life. And within a few months, me and my team were hitting the milestones, the targets out of the park. Within a year of joining OYO, I was asked to join the international launch team. OYO had received a great funding from SoftBank at that point of time, and we were looking to go berserk international. I spearheaded OYO's launch efforts in the key states of United States of America. After that, I moved to OYO Japan, where my role was to drive business growth there. After successfully doing OYO Japan, I was then asked to head a few countries in the Europe market for OYO's vacation rental business. After being successful at the OYO vacation rental business, I came back to India for an important assignment. It was almost 6 years by then. My journey in OYO was about 6 years by then. I decided, finally, it's time for me to move out of OYO. While I was thinking about it, I realized one big important thing again. That पिछले 6 सालों में I had gone from being a failure from IIM Ahmedabad to being a global business leader now, and that too proven. At least it was a proven professional track for me now. So I decided this is great. And then Choice happened. I joined Choice as their chief growth officer. The Choice is a group of companies which is into finance and other sectors. It's the listed company on Indian Stock Exchange. It has more than 6,000 members, which we fondly call as the Choice Parivar. And it is poised to successfully capture the next financial wave that is going to hit India. This is my second best encounter with success in my life. But little did I know that my every failure was bringing me one step closer to success. I have been an unsuccessful veterinary doctor. I have failed as a startup founder not once, but thrice. But still, today, I can bask in the glory of being an IIM Ahmedabad alumnus, a proven global business leader, and now a TEDx speaker. Life to sahi hai, boss. So here is what I will leave you with. I have 4 thumb rules of how to succeed quickly in life. Rule number 1. Choose risk over fear. Choose risk over fear because failure is inevitable in life. You can't escape failure. Those who escape failure, man, they are lucky. But failure is inevitable in life. So why fear? Rule number 2. Be persistent. If you find yourself sulking that, oh, I have failed in this exam, oh, I have failed in my interview, oh, I have failed in my startup, just get up, wash your face, and then put your gladiator suit back again. Rule number 3. Be an entrepreneur, 100% entrepreneur, 24/7 all your life. You know, entrepreneurship is not a career option. Entrepreneurship is a life skill because entrepreneurship teaches you to find the best possible way to succeed again and again and again. Even if you want to date someone, you need entrepreneurship skill not just to convince that person, but to also beat your other competitors to the finish line. If you want to get selected in your dream job, you need to convince the recruiter why you are the chosen one as compared to those interviewed before and will be after. Rule number 4, learn to move on quickly. I had a perception of success in my life, that success should look like a Ritesh Agarwal or a Deepinder Goyal or a Aman Gupta. And I struggled with accepting my failure very quickly. The moment I changed my lenses, I figured out that no, true success is to be happy and contented. Even now, there might be a lot of people in this world who will think I am not successful. But I am happy. I am happy to be where I am at in my professional life. Happy to have found love so early and gotten married to the love of my life. Happy to be a father to an amazing 5-year-old. And happy to be here at the TEDx platform, getting an opportunity to talk to each one of you. So the moral of my life story is pretty simple. Success is guaranteed for each one of you. हर जने को सक्सेस guaranteed है. What matters is how many times you are willing to get back at life and choose success over failure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.